Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to manage the double zoom feature in CS2. Let's dive right in. In CS2, it isn't possible to completely disable double zoom, but you can manage how the sniper rifle behaves when zooming by enabling or disabling the auto-resume sniper rifle aftershot feature. Here's how to do it. Open Settings from the top left corner of your screen. Navigate to the Game tab. Select the Items section within the Game tab. Look for the Auto Resume Sniper Rifle Aftershot option. Here, you can set this option to either yes or no. If it's yes, the sniper rifle will automatically zoom in again after each shot. For example, if you're using the AWP and take a shot, it will immediately resume for you. If it's set to no, you'll need to manually zoom back in after each shot. This gives you more control over your gameplay, especially in high-pressure situations. Once you made your choice, the change takes effect immediately. This setting is particularly useful for players who prefer to adjust their sniper gameplay style.